टू फैक्टर थ्योरी ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस क्या है? स्पेरमैन ने थ्योरी पास करी थी. स्पेरमैन बिलीव दैट intelligence is not made up of many separate abilities. According to him, every intellectual activity depends on general ability G factor, specific ability S factor. So whenever a person performs a mental task, both G and S work together. अब इसका हम कोर फार्मूला की बात करेंगे. कोर फार्मूला इसका क्या है? इंटेलिजेंस परफॉर्मेंस इज इक्वल टू G प्लस S, where G is equal to general ability, S is equal to specific ability. Characteristics of G factor: universal ability, it is present in every intellectual ability. Example: reasoning, memory, mathematics, language and problem solving. Inborn and stable, Spearman believe it is a largely hereditary and remains relatively stable. Determines overall intelligence, higher G usually means higher academic and cognitive performance. Common in all tasks, every task needs some amount of general intelligence. Example: a psychology student using reasoning in research, memory in exam, a comprehension in theory. Example of G factor situation: solving puzzle, logical reasoning, understanding theories, comprehension, learning statistics, analytical thinking, writing answer, general cognitive ability. Specific factor is known as S factor, means the special ability required for a particular task. Every task has its own unique skill. Characteristics of S factor: task ability, different tasks require different specific ability, different for different activities. Music require musical skill, math require numerical skill, drawing require artistic skill, different for different activities. A person may be excellent in one area but average in another. Example: solve math well but struggle in poetry. This happened because of S factor differ. Third one, learn through practice. Unlike G, specific ability can improve significantly through training. Example of S factor: task and specific ability. Playing guitar, musical skill; cricket batting, motor coordination; solving algebra, numerical ability; painting, artistic ability. How G and S work together? Spearman said no activity uses only one factor. Every performance contains some general intelligence, some specific intelligence and skill. Example 1, math exam: G is equal to reasoning understanding, S mathematical ability, singing, learning skill, understanding rhythm, vocal talent. ये एक फ्लो चार्ट है, आप देख सकते हो जनरल एबिलिटी और स्पेसिफिक एबिलिटी का. स्पेयरमैन का रिसर्च मेथड क्या है, जिसे हम फैक्टर एनालिसिस भी कहते हैं. ही ऑब्जर्व्ड स्टूडेंट परफॉर्मिंग वेल इन वन सब्जेक्ट ऑफन परफॉर्म्ड इन अदर टू. दिस पॉजिटिव कोरिलेशन लेड टू द आइडिया ऑफ जी फैक्टर. एजुकेशनल इम्प्लीकेशन: इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ जनरल इंटेलिजेंस, स्कूल शुड डेवलप रीजनिंग, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. Recognition of individual talent: every student have different specific ability. Teacher should encourage music, sport, art, science according to the student's strength. Guidance and career selection: student can choose career based on their strength. S factor. Example: artistic student design, numerical student finance or statistics. Merits of two factor theory: scientific theory based on statistical research and factor analysis, easy to understand, simple explanation of intelligence, explain academics performance. Student with high GA generally perform better academically. Foundation for later theories: many later intelligence theory developed from Spearman's ideas. Criticism of two-factor theory: oversimplified, human intelligence is more complex than just two factors. Neglect multiple abilities. The theory ignores social intelligence, emotional intelligence, creative intelligence. Too much importance of G. Critics say specific talent are equally important. Cultural influence ignored. Environment and culture also affect intelligence. Comparison with other theories: Spearman 1 general plus May specific abilities, Thurstone several primary mental activities, Gardner multiple intelligence, Steinberg analytical, creative, practical intelligence. G factor cognitive task के लिए है, S factor specific के लिए है. Spearman theory used factor analysis to support his claim, and though it faced criticism for being too simplified, it greatly influenced subsequent theory of intelligence.